Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to see old WhatsApp status. If you want to see your old WhatsApp status, you just have to follow these steps. First, open your WhatsApp app, and after that go to updates, and here you just have to see if you have followed anyone's channel. As you can see, I have followed this one, so now I can see my WhatsApp status like this. And now I want to get them back, and so you just have to open your subscribe channel, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on it, and after that if you can see here the option of unfollow, just tap on it, and now tap on unfollow again, and now go back, and you can see I have successfully gotten my old WhatsApp status. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.